Alright everybody, welcome back to another episode of Beginners Backyard Dough. Today we'll be doing Spam and eggs. I never knew about Spam. I saw it, but I was like, what do I need Spam for? Then my wife introduced Spam to me, and we do it with eggs in the morning for breakfast. And I love it. I love Spam and eggs. Love it. So that's what we're going to be doing today, some Spam and eggs. So what we're going to do is, when you buy your Spam, we like to slice it like this. So we slice the whole bar. I'm going to cook it in here. Add some eggs and Spam. Let's fire up this Blackstone. So, got the Blackstone on, warming up. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it on low. And add some oil. Let's add our Spam in here. Alright, so here we have it. So this is my first time doing Spam on the Blackstone. We normally do it inside, and I was like, well, you know what? Let me crank this bad boy up and let's do some Spam. Now, just so you guys know, Spam cooks pretty fast. It's not a long process. It's pretty quick. And it likes to pop at you. Starts popping, pop, pop, pop. We're gonna put some, start cooking our eggs. Eggs, always cook them on low. These two merge, see if I can flip them up with one flip. Yep, just like that. It's looking good. Looking good. Okay, so these eggs are ready. That Spam is pretty much ready. I like our eggs over easy. Except for that one, that's probably my son's because he doesn't like it over easy. I like them, oh man. And there's that. Now the Spam is about ready. Like the nice little red color, reddish. That's where it pretty much is done. Now if you cut them thinner, like this guy, that's guy done. He's done. So these guys are done. This is where we like them. If there's any Spam professionals out there, let me know how you guys like it. Alright guys, here we have it. Spam and eggs. I love Spam and eggs. If you guys haven't tried Spam, try it. Try it on the Blackstone. Try it with the eggs. Pretty damn good. So, let me know how you guys use your Spam. If you guys use Spam, how do you guys use Spam? And I want some ideas how to use this on more foods. That's it for this video. Make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check out these videos. And make sure you guys check out this apron on Hudson. Links on the description. They make great quality aprons. There's also a video that I did on them. Check that out. See you guys next time.